please. Okay.
I think it's important that kids learn to love reading at a young age because it not only opens up their minds to what's happening now, but it takes them to places and lets them feel a lot of different sensations na they will get from reading.
Pero since una-una na-review na rin naman namin ng maaga ito, madali na naman siyang pag-aralan as well as maipaintindi sa kanila na ano ba yung importante, ano ba yung matututunan sa istorya natin.
Storytelling is one way of inculcating in their minds the values why we should take care of our environment.
So, maganda din na parang i-instill sa mga kabataan ang importansya din ng pagbisita rin sa mga library at sa mga ganong klase ng mga establishments in order for them to develop more their love for reading.
It was really fulfilling and overwhelming kasi aside from the kids, normal kids, there were also special kids, and I really appreciate that because I also have a cousin who's special Down syndrome, and when it comes naman po dun sa interaction, it was really fun kasi nakikinig talaga sila and they were really attentive. They were answering our questions and magagaling yung mga answers nila, so nakakatuwa yung mga
Sa sofa ng bahay ni na Amit, may nakasabit na malaking rug sa dingding.
Kamusta yung experience nyo sa interaction sa mga bata kanina?
Masaya naman po. Masaya po.
Paano kayo nag-prepare kanina before kayo humarap sa mga bata? Ano yung mga pinagandaan niyo?
Tinulungan po kami ni Kuya Rich po na mag-storytell. Yung yung gagawin po namin na kung ano pong gagawin yung nagkikwento po ano gagawin niya, kung ano pong gagawin ng character na to, kung ano pong gagawin ni Peter or ni
Ahmed.
Yung hindi na lang nila makita. Ito, tinawin na nila si Papa.